Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to link a bank account to Coinbase. So if you got a bank account that you want to link that up to Coinbase, this video is for you. Let's get right into it. So the first method is using the Coinbase app, of course. And the first thing you want to do is to open the Coinbase app, tap the three horizontal lines or the gear icon, then tap settings, tap payment methods, and then tap link a new account. Then select bank account as the account type. Choose your bank from the list of supported banks. Then enter your online banking username and password, and then follow the prompts to authenticate and link your bank account. Just like that, your bank is linked. Now the second method, of course, is using the Coinbase website. Now the first thing you want to do is to log into your Coinbase account on the Coinbase website. Click your profile picture or username at the top right corner, then click settings from the drop down menu, click payment methods, click link new accounts, then select your bank accounts as the account type and choose your bank from the list of supported banks. Then you got to enter your online banking username and password and just follow the prompts to authenticate and link your bank account. That's pretty much it. Now the two things you got to take note of, or rather three things, and the first is for Plaid authentication. That's for US banks. If your bank is supported by Plaid, you'll be directed to the Plaid authentication page. Enter your online bank username and password and follow the prompts to authenticate and link your bank. But if you do not have Plaid authentication, then you got to use the micro deposit verification. And this is for, as I said, not non-Plaid banks. Now if your bank is not supported by Plaid, Coinbase will send you two small micro deposits to your bank accounts. You got to wait for those micro deposits to get in within 1 to 2 business days, and then you need to enter the exact amount of the micro deposits in the Coinbase app or website. And once that is done, the process is pretty much smooth. Now the verification and limits, once your bank account is linked, Coinbase will verify the accounts, and that verification may take a few days. After verification, you can deposit and withdraw funds from your linked bank account without any worries. So once you get that done, that's pretty much it. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys found that useful, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like. Also, don't forget to comment on the video, let me know what you thought, and don't forget to share the video, of course, with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to click that notification bell, because YouTube is crazy. Once you click that notification bell, you're never gonna miss another one of our updates. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.